Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having on Shopify if your store is unavailable. This is a very simple thing to fix, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account if you've not already. After logging into your account, you'll be accessed to this main page right here. You can find all the options that you have for editing your store. As you can see, you can start with adding products. Here you can find all the sections you can access, such as orders, products, and so on. And basically, if you're getting an error that your store is unavailable, you can't access it, you can't edit it, and so on, this is how to fix it. Basically, as you can see right here on the official community of Shopify, this forum, somebody also asked why their store was unavailable. So as you can see here, we got an official answer from Shopify staff. What they told us is to go ahead and make sure that our store is available by having a premium plan. So if you do not have a premium plan, this means nobody will be able to access your store, and you'll be the only person that will be able to access it. So you first need to have a premium plan. If it's still not working with your premium plan, you want to go ahead and clear all your browser cookies and make sure that your store is live. So go to your online store section right here and preferences and make sure that your store is live and that everybody can access it. So as you can see, currently it is password protected. You want to remove this password protection if you have it and go ahead and click view your store. If you're still having your problems, then they told us right here you want to go ahead and speak with the support team for the help center. So you want to go ahead and contact their help center, go ahead and send them an email, tell them what the problem is, and they'll get back to you and tell you how to fix your problem and talk to you through it. But yeah guys, basically that's what you can try. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.